Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share with you a very tasty and very healthy recipes, that is pesto pasta and the fig smoothie. So let's start with it. So I had worn my apron and my gloves because hygiene and cleanliness is also very important. So the main ingredients for our pasta is spinach, which is highly rich in iron. Here I had taken durum wheat pasta, which is more healthier than eating a plain flour pasta. And here there is olive oil, onions, broccoli, which is rich in calcium, phosphorus and potassium and zinc. Here I have taken green bell pepper, which is highly rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, and yellow bell pepper, which is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, fibers and also potassium. Next is tomatoes for good taste. I have taken sweet corns, which are highly rich in fibers, vitamin C and magnesium, and these all are good for our health. And here is red carrot, which is rich in vitamins and minerals and also in roughage. Here I have taken some butter, pine nuts, which gives us a lots of energy, garlic, red chilies, mixed herbs, chili flakes and basil. So to make a pesto pasta, first of all we'll make a spinach puree. So to make a spinach puree, first of all we'll add the spinach into a mixer jar. Some pine nuts, some green chilies and garlic and olive oil. So now I'll just make it smooth puree. So our spinach puree is ready. So I am now taking it in a bowl. Our spinach puree is ready. Now let's move towards the next step. So first of all I am preparing white sauce for pasta. So first of all butter goes in. So butter is melted. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon wheat flour in it. Mix it well and saute till it changes its color to a light brown. So you can see it has changed its color to light brown and also it is liquid. So to make it dry, I am adding 1 tablespoon more wheat flour and just mix it. So you can see it has now been a little dry rather than being liquid. Now I am adding 1 cup milk to it. Mix it till there are no lumps. So you can see there are no lumps in our white sauce and it has also now thickened. So sauce has no lumps now and it has also thickened. So now I am adding some salt, black pepper powder, and now I will mix it well. After mixing them, I am adding the spinach puree which we had prepared earlier. And now we will mix it and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now our spinach puree has properly mixed in a white sauce. Now we'll let it boil, and till then we'll prepare our saute vegetables. So for stir fry vegetables, first of all I am adding 1 tablespoon butter to it. When the butter melts, add 1 tablespoon olive oil to it. Let it melt. So our butter has melted. Now I am adding some garlic paste which I had made at home only. So let our garlic paste cook properly. Now I am adding some of the chili flakes to it. When our garlic and chili flakes turn aromatic, first of all add onions. Saute them for 1 minute. Now I am adding my broccolis to it, 5 to 6 florets of broccoli. You might even not be knowing that broccoli is also really very good to boost our immunity, and that is very necessary in these times of corona. And it has also very good taste. Now I am adding red carrot, green and yellow bell peppers, sweet corns. Saute them till they are a little bit soft, not too much soggy, but because a nice crunch of vegetables looks very tasty in the pasta. So good boil has also come to our spinach sauce. So I am now switching off its flame so that it can slightly cool down. We have to cool it slightly only, not much, because in very hot sauce our pasta can also break. So our vegetables are a little soft. Now I am adding tomatoes to it and a little bit salt only for veggies. Now I am adding basil also to it. Only a half teaspoon about dry basil. And now our vegetables are done, so I am switching off its flame also. So now our spinach sauce has cooled down. So I am adding my already boiled pasta to it. And now my pasta is properly coated in sauce, so I am switching on its flame. And also now I am adding the veggies I had sorted. Now we'll mix it really well. So you can also see how colorful our pasta is looking because these veggies were so colorful. And seeing by this pasta, everyone will heartedly eat it. So our pesto pasta is ready. So now I'm gonna serve it. So now I'm gonna garnish it with some cheese, which is really all of us favorite. Also, I'm adding some tomatoes to garnish it, which gives it a nice color. If you have some cherry tomatoes, you can also add those. I'm adding some of the spinach leaves, small spinach leaves. So our pasta is ready. And now we are gonna make a fig smoothie, which is an energy power drink and is packed full of nutrients and energy. So the ingredients which we need main for this smoothie is, the main ingredients we need for our fig smoothie is 2 soaked figs that I had soaked for 2 hours, 1 glass of milk, 1 tablespoon flax seeds. We are using flax seeds because it is full of proteins and also has omega-3, which is really good for our health. I am using some walnuts that will give a good taste to our smoothie, and also it has energy in it, lots of energy in it. So now let's start making our smoothie. So to make our smoothie, I'll add all these things to a blender jar and blend them all together. So first of all, I am adding 1 tablespoon walnuts, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 2 soaked figs, and now I'm adding the milk also to it. And now I will blend it all together to make a smoothie. So now I'm garnishing my fig smoothie with some of the chopped figs, pasting them on the mouth of the glass. And now I'm adding some of the pistachios over my fig smoothie. So our fig smoothie is ready.